I'm just feel like I go curve around the hips a little more and put on the body. So them something make Erica go eat because she birthed a child with her body. So dear and for more. She entitled to eat me. You understand? And every mother can stomach it. Some mother pretend.
Alia, what you say I gonna do? Then Alia, look back too tough. Look back too tough Batman like we know. And I say we soft and shiver down like cheese son. Forgot, picture me here at Brest now, Alia. Oh God, man. Oh God, Alia, witness that man.
But that's why Erica ate me because right now I feel like I go do my breast and bigger than Marsha one. I go do my pussy, I go do my belly, I go touch, I go ching, I go run the body to the hip, and I go out and bad and stunting the blood clot. So these are the things why Erica go eat because somebody pretend to love them child while somebody just get up and eat them child. And there are four when me place it when me have 4 blood clot mother. You understand? Me place it when I have 4 mother me have. So you see if 1 ate me, I still have 3. You understand, Batman? I don't know how some girl have 1 mother. Me have 3, 4 mother and 1 and 4 father. So if 1 ate me, you join the line. Yeah. So if Erica ate me have Margaret, me have Grace, and me have Angela. So there are 4 mother me alone blood clot have. And if Nancy ate me have Nico, me have Spencer, and me have blood clot Paul. See so much father and mother me blood clot one have. So there are 4 more Erica have alright to even after them everybody from Erica ate you.
2,109 likes and counting. 250 comments and counting. It now come down. Probably a morning. It's not coming down.
It's not supposed to come down. Or
Pretty, Alia. Pretty. Watch ya.
I'm a pretty niece. Your favorite cheese, Manalish, and she's a twin. She's down in your child. Love your child. Because remember, life is what it made of, and life is like a merry-go-round.
Gotcha, Alia.
Look how she's done pretty. Look how she's a cheese that in herself, that cheese that herself, that a cheese herself. Look how boy pretty. Look boy for 800 pounds. She's a son and your twin is a pretty little boy. You have cheese. Although she turn girl, love her cheese. Love her, right? Our authentic Gucci Chevron cheese. Beg her someone stop with China. Cause your son are wear the good things, them cheese. And if she a butter the good things, them cheese. Love your child, no make nobody make you not love your child. Because if she reach a morning, you say, oh, that and I respect him mother before him and I have back a relationship. Cheese, love your son. Cheese not fall no body and burn no bad lamb for your child.
Me not take him down, can pretty.
Cheese, love your child, no fall on a body. Same as how you accept and go poogie, you go make Batman fuck you, and you eat from Batman, and you drink from Batman. Love your own child, where you push out to your hole for 9 blood clot months. Love your child. You see, oh, that and Harris make so much nice money, and him spite him mama for about from 2017, that and Harris win this something. And him spite him mother, already you seen the star, him forgive him mother, and them have a good relationship now. Love your child. Cheese not falling a body is that remarks where you make I forgive you because you upset the fact for no say it come out and social media.
Me not forgive her.
You know why I forgive her? When she's saying for dead, she upset the fact for no say it may come out with it on social media, but remember you'd come out with an eye for an eye. Obama say now. That's why I'm giving all of the benefit them and the things them and give free green card and things them. Because the dream say eye for an eye make everybody blind, and that's what reaching now. You come out here, bring them bam, make class Frenchman, and you highlight a Frenchman, you see where reaching now. Bam bam, they're England and bam can live with it. You there Jamaica, me know you like the shopping now, me know you like the bar in the trees because you cannot stomach this way really go on. You have to go in your house and ball. You have to go in your house and ball because you cannot believe this is what reach an icon like you.
The woman can't like a bar. I accept the woman like a bar now and move your blood clot. You used to do your blood clot, Fred. What kind of bar you want, woman? Like you know your blood clot wicked.
But man, we have to understand, you know, girl, we have to understand about man. If you see a drastic moment like this, now remember, you know, you're there dull enough from 2 months to shut up kill her son, you're there down there for up on the road, you nobody want to go up on the road, you know.
She don't have to like the bar.
Something like that.
Look, something like that. Aya, she don't have to like the bar up counter when she can't bend down under the counter and cry.
But man, you go like cheese liver blood clot, green acres, you go like cheese liver whitewater meadows, you go like cheese liver jacaranda, you go like cheese liver Hinzu, that them good place, that Tyson and them bad part of cheese liver. I pay a so go on over this right now. I pay a group up go on with cheese, pick me up all over phone right now, girl.
True. And WhatsApp video circulator, all type of things.
Yeah,
True.
I pay people in a cheese community and watch cheese live, watch a live, and I want to talk about cheese, son of cheese, I hide all along. I want to tell you that, man, I got cheese, I got lock down the shop, and waiting. Then in the community right now, we can rotate now and cheese shame like a dog. But man, remember, get the people stay now.
True.
Yeah, cheese, I drive out a truck now. I drive one truck now, going to Caribbean Estate and can't tell the ticket to not expect a visitor. And let them the bar and make somebody go waiting there. And then they get out and see him place the bar in our yard with sun with drink on the house stop. Shame for your skill people, Batman. Shame for your skill people. Stop being so.
The blood clot bar shaped like a triangle or a tree fan. She just a sweating this so.
Shame for your skill people, Batman. Me know she shame like a dog and can't believe reach out in the astronaut. The sun get all after when cheese in out. I say, Batman, I force the cheese on ya. Batman, cheese goes over that on.
Come eat
when cheese
anything more I do.
Batman, when cheese see cheese goes on. I know my son. Tell Batman. Batman say cheese on.
Dep on the lifestyle, I'm call it back. I would not. Get away from here.
Batman say cheese when the people them talk about the pictures of cheese. On the man son. On the man him. Him granny, and then she depend. Him granny, him and me grow him, and the man him granny really allow him to do them something that got mixed up in her shit. She been no cheese. You been blood clot no, so you have a daughter. You don't have a son left back at England. You know you have a daughter, you never leave a son at England because labor right turn woman. Labor right has suckled from she have 15, so you must hear about that because everybody talk about that Tabristan, and I'm not the local boy live, so the whole are not know that.
It's rough.
Have to know that. So I know where you come out with. Cut the charade and stop blood clot. Go like say, it not blood clot real. It real. Cut the charade, girl. Wake up and smell the coffee and know say the world where you living in. You know say. All people are bad for Black Lives Matter. You see transgender come out and depend. Black Trans Lives Matter. I that they your son profile. Black Trans Lives Matter. So him is not a boy girl like come here and Batman put on woman clothes sometime and take it off back. Him is a Black Trans Lives Matter with him implant. Where my feel lame last week every day. So for go outside and make him eyebrow. I never know if I make eyebrow. And the theme one slay.
Me don't know if I do that now.
Theme one
first thing first, me not even know if I put
Theme one slay. Blood clot. You want to text it from Batman every time people call upon them live. They pan, oh, me not talk about shit. So what about your son? And then people come biased now, come talk about you want to show them bring the girl to the involved.
The people them say sell the people them tell her to sell them a boom and she block them. Sell me a boom. Top shelf. Then I me now. Then I me now. Then I me. Where she come from again? Alia, don't go she live.
She live at Tyson over Spanish Town.
Then tell me now. Me could have get a foreign like a rich Batman or blood clot Peter King and go down with my machine money and have some hot girlfriend over Tyson when I go look for. I'm a go to Tyson and then bring me a cheese bar when I have no top shelf liquor. I said I book my flight and come back a blood clot foreign left them in the empty bar. No top shelf liquor. Nothing in the bar to get you drunk because she dilute the Jerry and him blood clot nephew. Jerry and him nephew weak no blood clot. Jerry and him nephew very blood clot weak, but y'all have blood clot such is my shelf. Such is my shelf for when man drink and get blood clot drunk. Yeah, people ever come in your bar care blood clot drunk because you dilute the blood clot rum. You dilute the blood clot rum. Jerry and him know you eating a blood clot because you give them company bad blood clot name. Dirty girl, take the expired blood clot in such them off of the blood clot shelf and put up blood clot crackers and red ring. And crackers and red ring for in a blood clot bar. You have bad from in a bar, you don't have no jukebox. Move your blood clot because you get blood clot bar license. I use it. Like when a blood clot somebody, like you a blood clot somebody. No, me I see you.
Oh, catch it freeze a long while ago.
Even if them report it, me have the whole hot girl and me know we go forward my page and say go follow, yeah. I have them lock. Cushman, Katura, everybody, I have the hot girl them lock, my love, and them I like and share.
Cushman same ask him other one boom and them should block him. Blood clot.
You get entertainment and the people them are hard and a blood clot and a spend with you and you block them.
Yeah, for no reason. For no reason. Suppose me compare your life and other one special, one cranberry special. You don't block me one Campari special. You don't block me too. If me other one Campari special. Them say life freeze. You look like them a report it back, man.
I come off anyway now. More later I'm gonna read comment my love and reply to comment and bust it later. She get enough of it.